bring another recipe today as well. So today I'm making chili chicken. Chili chicken is my favorite and Jasmin is favorite. So guys, let's begin. So guys, for this recipe I have got 500 gram boneless chicken, 1 egg, corn flour 3 tablespoons, half teaspoon of crushed pepper, 2 tablespoons of the tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, and 1 spoon of vinegar, and spring onion handful, and 1 spoon of cut ginger, 4 to 5 garlic, and 3 green chili, and 1.5 spoon of garlic and ginger paste, and 2 white onion, and 3 peppers. So guys, I'm doing preparation first. So I'm going to take off the pepper seed first. You can cut in the 2 sides and take off the pepper, but it's easy to do like this. You just cut it like this and take off the all white bit as well and the all seed. Then I'm cutting the diced size like this. Then I'm doing rest of pepper as well. I'm going to cut the same size of onion as well. So just cut 2 sides and you can make separate like this. So guys, next I'm going to cut the chicken. So this is a boneless chicken. So I'm cutting the pieces like that first. Then exactly I'm going to cut the same diced size. You can cut the long size as well, but I like to cut the small pieces. So I'm cutting pieces like that. Guys, I'm going to marinate the chicken first. 2 tablespoons of the corn flour, 1 spoon of soy sauce, crushed pepper, then 1 egg. Then mix it up very well. So soy sauce is quite salty, so guys you don't need to add a raw salt. But if you like to add raw salt according to your taste, you can add. Then add the garlic and ginger paste. Then mix it up very well. And at least we need to set up daily 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, next I'm going to fry the chicken, deep fry. So I'm going to add the oil. So we need to put singly like when you fry the pakoda. And don't cook very quickly, otherwise it's going to leave the chicken uncooked inside. Then I'm going to take off the tissue like that. Next, I'm going to mix the corn flour with the water. So 1 spoon of corn flour. Then put a little bit of water. Then make the paste. Mix it up very well. Make sure there's no lump. Then leave it on one side. Now fry pan is hot already, so I'm going to add the 2 to 3 teaspoons of the oil. Don't need to put too much because the chicken already fried, so already the chicken is already oily. So guys, this oil is hot, so I'm going to add first garlic. Fry at least 1 to 2 minutes. Don't need to make it very brown. I'm going to add the ginger. 1 to 2 minutes everything. Then I'm going to add the green chili. Just fry it at least 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure gas flame is medium. Then I'm going to add the onion. Onion and pepper also you can put less or more. Just try 2 minutes like that. Because we need our pepper and onion crunchy. Don't cook too much. Just fry 1 to 2 minutes in a medium flame. Then I'm going to add the tomato ketchup, add the chili sauce, add the soya sauce. Now make the gas little bit slow flame because we don't want to burn everything. Then add the vinegar. This soya sauce is very salty, so I'm not going to add any salt. If you like to add the raw salt, it's totally optional according to your taste. Then I'm going to add the corn flour paste. Then stir up. Then cook at least 1 to 2 minutes. Let it boil. So I cooked 1 to 2 minutes already. So then I'm going to add the chicken. Mix it up all together. And cook at least 1 to 2 minutes. Still we want to our pepper and the onion crunchy. I cooked 1 to 2 minutes. It's cooked. So I'm going to gas off. Then I'm going to put in the bowl and ready to eat. Guys, you can eat with a fried rice. So this is a kind of Chinese flavor. So you can enjoy with plain rice or fried rice. Even you can eat with just with the salad as well. So guys, you must try this recipe, and thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.